India, the world's seventh largest country by area and the largest by population, is a captivating tapestry of culture, history, and diverse landscapes. Home to over 1 billion people, it boasts a rich heritage spanning millennia. From the majestic Himalayas to the tropical shores of Goa, its geography mirrors the variety of its traditions. Indian cuisine, globally celebrated for its spices and flavors, is a culinary delight. India is a cradle of major Indian religions, including Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, and it embraces Abrahamic religions such as Islam and Christianity. Iconic landmarks like the Taj Mahal and bustling cities like Mumbai showcase the seamless blend of ancient and modern. India's vibrancy, spirituality, and resilience make it a truly remarkable mosaic. Before we dive into the adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. The Taj Mahal, an iconic white marble mausoleum in Agra, was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Completed in 1653, it stands as a masterpiece of Mughal architecture, blending Persian, Indian, and Islamic styles. The symmetrical structure features a central dome and 4 minarets, surrounded by lush gardens and a reflecting pool. The intricate marble inlay work showcases floral patterns and Quranic verses. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Taj Mahal is a symbol of eternal love, drawing millions of visitors annually to marvel at its breathtaking beauty and historical significance. 2. Varanasi, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, lies on the banks of the sacred Ganges River in India. A spiritual and cultural hub, it's revered by Hindus for its ghats, where rituals and ceremonies unfold daily. Pilgrims come to cleanse their sins in the holy river. The narrow, labyrinthine streets host vibrant markets and countless temples. Varanasi is a center for classical music, art, and literature, adding to its rich tapestry. The Kashi Vishwanath Temple and the evening Ganga Aarti are integral to its religious fervor, making Varanasi a captivating blend of tradition and mystique. 3. Ellora Caves, a UNESCO World Heritage Site near Aurangabad, India, is an extraordinary rock-cut cave complex dating from the 6th to 10th centuries. Carved into the Charanandri Hills, it comprises Buddhist, Hindu, and Jain temples, showcasing religious harmony. The monolithic Kailasa Temple stands out for its colossal size and intricate detailing. The 34 caves exhibit impressive sculptures and vibrant murals depicting religious narratives and daily life. Ellora's architectural diversity and historical significance make it a testament to India's ancient craftsmanship, attracting visitors globally to marvel at the artistic and spiritual heritage preserved within its subterranean chambers. 4. Jaisalmer, the Golden City, rises from the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Dominated by its majestic sandstone fort, the Jaisalmer Fort, the city exudes a timeless charm with its intricate architecture and narrow alleys. The fort houses palaces, Jain temples, and havelis adorned with intricate carvings. The city's unique yellow sandstone buildings cast a golden glow during sunset, earning its moniker. Jaisalmer is a gateway to the desert, offering camel safaris and the mystical Samsan dunes. Rich in history, culture, and adorned with vibrant markets, Jaisalmer is a captivating destination, showcasing the grandeur of Rajasthan's heritage. 5. Harmandir Sahib, also known as the Golden Temple, is a spiritual and architectural marvel in Amritsar. Constructed in the 16th century by Guru Arjan Dev, the 5th Sikh guru, it stands in the center of a sacred pool, symbolizing the equality and oneness of all humankind. The temple is adorned with gold leaf and intricate marble, radiating a golden aura. Its 4 entrances signify openness to all, regardless of background. The Akal Takht, a prominent Sikh institution, is located within the temple complex. The Golden Temple serves as a symbol of Sikhism's core values, attracting millions of pilgrims yearly. 6. Palolem. Palolem is a serene beach located in South Goa. Known for its crescent-shaped coastline bordered by palm trees, it offers a tranquil escape from bustling city life. The The calm waters make Palolem Beach suitable for swimming, kayaking, and paddleboarding. The beach is dotted with colorful beach shacks serving local and international cuisine. Palolem is renowned for its scenic beauty, especially during sunset, creating a picturesque backdrop. Beyond the beach, the area features laid-back villages, providing a peaceful and immersive experience for those seeking a more relaxed atmosphere amidst the natural beauty of the Goan coastline. 7. Virupaksha Temple. Situated in Hampi, Karnataka, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the oldest functioning temples. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, it has a history dating back to the 7th century. The temple's iconic tower, or gopuram, rises majestically, adorned with intricate carvings depicting various mythological stories. Virupaksha Temple is part of the sacred center of Vijayanagara, Hampi's ancient ruins, and plays a significant role in the Hampi Festival. Pilgrims and tourists alike visit to admire its architectural grandeur, explore the temple's courtyards, and witness the vibrant religious and cultural activities that continue to thrive within its sacred precincts. 8. The Lake Palace, also known as Jag Niwas, is a luxurious heritage hotel situated on Jag Niwas Island in Lake Pichola, Udaipur. Built in the 18th century as a royal summer palace, it showcases Rajput architecture and now operates as a premium hotel. The palace appears to float on the lake's serene waters, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding Aravalli Mountains and the city palace. Its white marble facade, intricate carvings, and lush gardens make it an iconic symbol of Udaipur's regal charm. Guests experience a blend of opulence and history, immersed in the tranquil beauty of Lake Palace. 9. Kerala Backwaters. The Kerala backwaters form a network of interconnected rivers, lakes, and lagoons in the southwestern Indian state of Kerala. Renowned for their natural beauty and unique ecosystem, the backwaters provide a serene and picturesque landscape. Houseboats, known as ketuvalams, navigate these waterways, offering a tranquil way to explore the lush surroundings. Coconut palms, rice paddies, and small villages line the banks, showcasing Kerala's traditional way of life. Popular backwater destinations include Alleppey, Kumarakom, and Kollam. Visitors can enjoy boat cruises, witnessing vibrant bird life, rural scenes, and experiencing the peaceful charm of Kerala's backwaters. 10. Khajuraho, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Madhya Pradesh, is renowned for its group of stunning medieval Hindu and Jain temples. Built between 950 and 1050 CE, these temples are known for their intricate and erotic sculptures, showcasing exceptional craftsmanship. The western group of temples, including the Kandariya Mahadeva Temple, is particularly famous for its architectural beauty and detailed carvings. The temples depict various aspects of life, mythology, and spirituality. Despite the sensuous imagery, the sculptures symbolize the celebration of life and love. Khajuraho is a testament to India's rich cultural and artistic heritage, attracting visitors from around the world.